Hello, little kids. Welcome to Veggieville Adventures, the coolest place to discover the wonders of vegetables. Today, we have some special guests who want to introduce themselves. Let's dive into the magical world of talking vegetables. Hey, kiddos! I'm Crunchy Carrot, the superhero of the veggie world. Want to know my superpower? I'm fantastic for your eyes. Eat me, and you'll have superhero vision too.
Hi, lovely kids. I'm Brock the Rockin' Broccoli. I may look like a little tree, but I'm packed with vitamins and minerals that make your bones strong. So, eat up and dance your way to strong bones with me.
Hello, tiny kids. I'm Tango Tomato, the salsa sensation. I'm not just delicious, I'm bursting with antioxidants. Eating me helps keep your heart healthy, just like a dance party for your taste buds. Hey, little kids. I'm Stealthy Spinach, the undercover leaf. I may be green, but I'm hiding iron that makes your muscles strong. Want to be a superhero like me? Eat your spinach.
Cool kids, I'm Mr. Spud, the laid-back potato. I may be humble, but I'm loaded with energy-boosting goodness. Mash me, bake me, or fry me. I'm your friend in all forms.
Hey, tiny kids. I'm Cuke the Cucumber, the cool and crunchy one. I'm like nature's own hydrating snack, keeping you refreshed and ready for action. Cool down with me.
Wow, wasn't that veggie-tastic? Remember, little buddies, each of these talking vegetables is a superhero in disguise, here to make you strong, healthy, and super smart. So, let's fill our plates with the power of veggies. Until next time, stay curious and eat your veggies with a smile.
Hope you like this video. Request you to like, subscribe, and bell the notification icon to get more video to learn and enjoy.